Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our debate today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Patrisia Rosari. I'm from St.Klaus Senior High School, Kuwu-NSDC province. I'm the speaker of government team. The motion we are going to debate is this House would criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle. Before I start explaining my views on the motion, let me define the keywords of the motion to give us a clear understanding about the motion. The motion consists of 4 keywords. First, criminalize. Second, individuals. Third, organization. And the last, recycle. Let me define this keyword one by one. First, criminal is an action or act that violates the rules and laws that have been applied in a region. Second, individuals is a person or individuals. Third, organization is form of fellowship between 2 or more people who work together. Fourth, recycle is a process to restore waste or materials that are already useless to be useful again. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm debating the motion from 2 main points of views. That is from the point of ecological problem and the point of economic problem. Ladies and gentlemen, poor waste disposal has now been a serious problem of all the countries around the world. This mainly occurs in developing countries because they mostly have poor waste disposal. Ladies and gentlemen, our country, Indonesia, is one of the countries which is having a big problem with waste disposal. It is responsible for 20% of waste problem in the world. With that, poor waste disposal causes many ecological problems such as land and air pollution, which is a serious threat to our safety. I think that the government needs to quickly find out the best solution to the problem. I, as the government speaker, think that one of the best solutions to the problem recycling process. So, I, as the government team, really agree with this motion. In relation to the motion, let me debate the motion from 2 main points of argument. First, from the point of ecological problem. Second, from the point of economical problem. Let me start debating the motion from the point of ecological problem. Based on ecological problem, there are some reasons why recycling is important. First, saving raw materials. Second, recycling paper and wood save trees and forests. Yes, you can plant new trees, but you cannot replace virgin rainforests or ancient woodlands once they're lost. Third, recycling plastic means creating less new plastic, which is definitely a good thing, especially as it's usually made from fossil fuel hydrocarbons. Fourth, recycling glass reduces the need to use new raw materials since it sounds hard to believe, but supplies of some types of sand are starting to get low around the world. Second, protecting ecosystems and wildfire. Recycling reduces the need to grow, harvest, or extract new raw materials from the earth. That in turn lets the harmful destruction and damage being done to the natural world. Fewer forests cut down, recycled deferred, with animal sound or displaced, and less pollution of water, soil, and air. And of course, if our plastic waste isn't safely put in the recycling, it can be blown or waste into reserve and cease and end up hundreds or thousands of miles away. Pollution pollutants and waterways and becoming a problem for everyone. Third, reducing demand for around materials. The world is increasing demand for the new stuff has led to more of the poorest and most vulnerable people. For example, those living around forest or fire systems, being displaced from their homes or otherwise exploited. Forest communities can find themselves excited as a result of the search for sheep, timber, and rifles can be damaged or polluted by manufacturing waste. Let me start debating the motion from the point of economical problem. People can make money by practicing recycling. It also helps improve our skill in analyzing waste to produce useful. If we look at the advantage of recycling process, it is really that we must practice it right now. To make sure all people and institutions can practice recycling process, it is really important for the government to impose sanctions or criminalize those who do not recycle. I think this action is really helpful for solving the problem of poor waste disposal, saving our environment. That is all, and thank you for your attention.